Hi, I'm Litvarski and I'm going to play the New Zealand story on Amiga. This was an arcade game in 1988, published by Taito, and in 1989 Ocean published a conversion to the Amiga. So, let's start playing. So this is our main character, who got escaped from the bag of the walrus. So here we can shoot these different creatures with our arrow and a bow, and then we can collect also different kinds of weapons, like these bombs and laser guns. This is quite a fast-paced platformer. So you got multiple enemies spawning here. So if you're not careful, these guys can shoot you. And our job is to save these other kiwis which were taken by the walrus. And here's the first boss of the game. Here we have to shoot this whale until it explodes. So that's the first word, and then the second word looks like this. Ow! This is a good conversion of the Amiga. Looks like the arcade, pretty much. it's hard to see what's coming in front of you because the because our character is so close to the top when going up. So that's game over. This is quite a nice game in both the arcade and the Amiga. So, thanks for watching.